gotta take the bull by the horns! Okay, let's check the list. Toadstools.
Check.
Snotweed.
Check.
Stinky butt bark.
Check.
Oh, and the last thing on Rosebud's shopping list, breakberries.
Ah, the elusive breakberry. Only to be found at Fizzy Falls, where one can enjoy an effervescent, dizzy, fizzy bubble beverage.
Ooh. Needs a little something, something. Breakberries should do the trick. Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh.
Look out, he's gonna blow! Hey, nothing bad happened.
Phew! Now let's get these home before our resident chef has one of her hyper-hoppy hissy fits.
Hey! Very funny, Gretch.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Taking my pillow and blankie? Not cool!
I didn't take them. Go back to sleep.
Well, looks like it's the old mattress blanket for McGee again. Oh. Huh? Oh, what am I doing on the floor?
That's the morning mystery, Sherlock.
Maybe you ate your bunk in your sleep. Must have been tasty because you finished it all.
Well, if I did, I'm still hungry.
Me too. Last one to the mess hall is a moldy Medusa.
First one there is a yucky yeti.
So, how's the butt bug with Schnotweed syrup?
Good. But you know what would make it great? Breakberries.
Eating breakberries. Good one, McGee. I mixed them with Schwing Sweat to make those spots disappear. Like so. Eating breakberries. So next thing you know, you'll be wearing schnot melons. These kids.
Oh, tasted good to me. Oh, okay, guys. Joke time's over. Who took my food?
Not me.
Wasn't me.
Well, someone's taking my stuff, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. Speaking of bottoms, gotta go. Jeez, we're out of toilet paper? I guess I'll have to use my socks again. Oh, great! Who stole the seat? Come on! Huh, all the ew's gone. The stank, however, remains.
Case closed. We found our camp thief.
Yup, McGee. It's your hiccups that are making everything disappear.
Ooh, except the stank. You were right about that.
You sure? This'll work?
Works for my hamsters. Though it is hard to find eeny-weeny paper bags. They're so cute.
Here, now drink some water. There. That should have scared the hiccups away.
Apparently not scary enough. But there's all sorts of stuff we haven't tried yet. Upside-down push-ups? Huh? High-impact blinking?
Relax. You need a good scare, and Franz is just the bull to give it to you.
Franz? Isn't that the German baby name for free? As in untie me?
I'll contact your next of kin just in case. Now huff it!
Ah! How do I scare this deer?
Oh, he'll be fine-ish. Maybe?
No! I want down now!
We did! We scared Mickey's hiccups away!
Woohoo! Franz for the win! Franz!
Okay, time to get help with our helping.
Don't hiccup, 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 don't hiccup. Phew! So far, so...
They're just getting worse.
Rosebud's not gonna be happy.
Rosebud's not going to be happy about what?
Oh, no biggie. I just have a little case of the...
You mixed breakberries with Fizzy Falls water?
How'd you know?
That causes hiccups that make anything you touch disappear, as if it never existed.
As if it never existed!
If those hiccups aren't cured, everything around you will go poof.
But there is a cure, right?
Oh, yeah. This ointment will clear those hiccups right up. It's also a beautiful dessert topping.
Oh, man, what a relief. Thanks.
Cool your jets. There's another cure. The only way to get rid of Fizzy Four's blackberry hiccups is...
Stay back! I'm a ticking hiccup bomb!
Oh, we're not going anywhere, McGee.
Yeah, we're gonna find a way to hiccup your hiccups away.
Oh, Squirt, you've got them too?
No, I just like the sound.
I gotta get out of here. For everyone's sake!
Something busted up my tractor real good.
Guess that's not a problem anymore.
What's all the fuss, McGee?
Back off! Don't touch me! I've got the Breakberry Dizzy Fizzy Hiccups!
Is that all? I thought it was something really serious.
Rosebud's got an ointment for that. I hear it makes a good dessert topping, too.
Yeah, about Rosebud. McGee kinda...
It was an accident! I didn't mean to! I only just... Come on! Sawyer!
We've run out of counselors!
Stay away! Stay away! Ah!
McGee, calm down! I have a plan!
You do?
Well, sort of. Yep, nothing to touch in there.
Now you just have to worry about getting all wrinkly. Your high fives will be like a pruny glimpse into the future.
I hiccuped away the whole lake bottom! Although it is kind of cool to actually see the lake bottom.
Okay, your hiccups are officially out of control. Where are we?
I think we're nowhere.
Nowhere? Where's nowhere? I gotta find where it is. Is it over there? I'll go look. Whoa! How did you guys get here so fast? Cool.
Wow, McGee, you've hiccuped away the laws of physics. This is the best!
Look at me, I'm a uni bubble corn. Whee! This is incredible! The best place ever!
Or it would be if the world wasn't, gone.
If the world is gone, where are we gonna poop?
Squirt, no! Squirt! Oh, just leave me, Gretch. Get as far away from me as you can.
Are you kidding? You're my pal. Besides, there's nowhere to go.
So what do we do? For once, I don't have a plan. Wait, if I hiccup the lake away, why am I hearing water?
Yeah, I hear it too.
Ah, look!
Whoa, wasn't that the Fizzy Falls we were at yesterday?
Yes, and the breakberries. Like I need more of those.
Don't you get it? They're exactly what you need. All you gotta do is...
Huh? Whoa! No! Gretchen! Stinking breakberries! I wish you never existed! Then I wouldn't have drank you, and my friends wouldn't be gone, and...
That causes hiccups that make anything you touch disappear, as if it never existed. Existed. Yeah, you get the point.
That's it! It didn't work! There's nothing left but me! And my clothes! Oh, thank goodness for that.
To our first disaster-free day.
Delicate bubbles without a hint of breakberry.
Look out! He's gonna blow! Hey, nothing bad happened.
Phew. Now let's get these home before our resident chef has one of her hyper-harpy hissy fits.